Now, we're passing through the rainbow pass. Every art niya po may mga flower. Then kung namumulaklak para din siyang rainbow color. And of course, the flower garden is good for pre-nuptials, outdoor weddings, ceremonies, then outdoor wedding pictorials. So may garden wedding na din po sa flower area. Season ng mga flowers is nasa month of May. Yun yung marami bulaklak which is month of May. Sa bantong tinatawag siya Flores de Mayo kasi more on the flowers. And of course, babalikin ko yun dito syempre month of May. And of course, bayan na naman. So, bayan din naman sa hawak ko. So, everybody po, dyan tayo dumaan kanina papuntang flower garden. If you remember yung holiday services. So, we have a one way lang po sa tayo. We are entering the private area of the resort. So, clinics na bawal na pumasok dito through walking pero park siya sa tour. On your upper right, we call that Shangri-La 1. Can accommodate 6 person, 11,400 per night. Yung mga rooms po namin dito po, pinapakawin na po namin pag fully booked na. Pag mag-uwi yung may-ari, sila yung natutulog, rest house po kasi mula sa sila yun, nagsistay. We have the Shangri-La 2. But for now, po, di pa siya available. Pero can accommodate 25 the tao. So it's not available po. On your right is our ornamental plants or flower nursery. So it's not for sale po, di yan na nabenta. Tinatanim lang here in hidden specialty.